my favorite cold coffee. We're gonna need some milk, water, coffee, ice cream, and sugar. And if you want, you can even add some chocolate syrup. And we're gonna blend it all together. First, I put 2 teaspoons of coffee. Then I put 1/8 of a cup of water in that coffee. Now I'm gonna blend it. I'm going to put 2 cups of milk. The other cup. 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're gonna blend it for about 5 seconds. I'm gonna put 1 cup of vanilla ice cream in it. This is about 1 cup. Putting it in. I'm gonna blend it now. Look how the texture has changed. Now I'm gonna put this in the glass. And make sure not to fill it to full, because if you want, you can put some ice cream. Now we're gonna put it in. You can also add chocolate syrup if you want. My family really loves it, so I added it. Now let's decorate it with a toothpick. Now I'm gonna taste it. Oh, it's so good. So cold and so refreshing. The coffee and the ice cream flavor mixed together is so
Thank you, Ashitan. It tastes amazingly good.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video.
Assalamualaikum.